Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by preparing both devices and initiating pairing. Make sure the controller has sufficient battery and the switch is powered. This prevents mid-process disconnects. Next, open the controller's connection menu and select the wireless method, Bluetooth or Wi-Fi, matching the switch capability. Once chosen, put the switch into pairing mode by holding its pairing button for 3 to 5 seconds so it advertises itself. You're now ready to move to device discovery on the switch and controller to establish a secure connection. Once both devices advertise, use the controller's scan function to find the switch name and select it. You'll often see a PIN or confirmation code. Enter or accept it to complete authentication. This secures the link and prevents interference. Observe pairing LEDs or status indicators on the switch to confirm progress. After connection, open the controller settings to assign its role and check basic input mapping. Press a few buttons and move sticks to verify responses. Make sure latency and range meet your needs before finalizing. Finish by saving the pairing configuration and installing any firmware updates, because updates often fix stability or compatibility issues. Once updated, reboot both the controller and the switch to clear transient errors. Then run a full functional test. Check every button, axis, and connectivity range to ensure consistent performance and acceptable latency. If something goes wrong, reset the controller or the switch to factory defaults and reattempt pairing. This resolves most stubborn handshake or profile conflicts and is the single most effective troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.